Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how travel writers capture the thrill of adventure travel in their writings? Welcome to the exhilarating world of adventure travel writing. This genre breathes life into the heart-pounding experiences of trekking up steep mountains, plunging deep into the ocean, or navigating through dense jungles. And it's all about authenticity, creativity, and personal experience. As a writer, your words are the vessel that transport readers into these adrenaline-filled moments. So how exactly do you bring the thrill of your adventures to life on the page? Let's delve into some practical techniques. Authenticity is the cornerstone of any good travel writing. But how do you make it work in adventure travel writing? Let's dive into it. Adventure isn't something you can simply imagine and write about convincingly. You need to live it, feel it. You need to be in those hiking boots, feel the sweat on your brow, the ache in your muscles as you ascend that mountain. You need to experience the thrill of the dive, the rush of the water, the awe-inspiring beauty of the underwater world. When you've lived the adventure, you can write with authority. Your words will carry the weight of experience, the grit of reality. You'll be able to weave stories that are not just believable but palpable. Your readers will taste the salt of the sea, feel the sting of the cold wind, hear the crunch of snow underfoot. Remember, your readers want to feel like they're right there with you, living the adventure. So make sure you're giving them the real deal. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of adventure travel writing. How do you capture the thrill and excitement of the moment? First and foremost, it's all about using vivid and descriptive language. Imagine you're hiking up a steep mountain trail. Instead of saying, "The trail was steep," you could say, "The trail challenged us with its relentless incline, pushing us to our limits with every step." You see the difference? The latter paints a picture and immerses the reader in the experience. Building suspense is another powerful technique. Keep your readers on the edge of their seats. Let's say you're scuba diving in an underwater cave. Instead of revealing everything at once, you could write, "As we descended deeper into the murky abyss, the eerie silence was only broken by the sound of our own breaths. Each turn held the promise of unseen wonders or potential danger." By withholding information, you create a sense of anticipation and suspense. Using active voice is key to engaging writing. Instead of saying, "The river was crossed by us," say, "We crossed the river." Active voice makes your writing more direct, dynamic, and exciting. Remember, you're not just telling a story, you're recreating an experience. Engage your reader's senses. Don't just describe what you saw. Talk about the sounds that filled the air, the scents that wafted by, the textures you touched, even the taste of the air. For example, "The roar of the waterfall filled our ears, its spray a cool mist on our faces. The air tasted fresh, tinged with the tang of wild herbs growing nearby." And lastly, tap into the reader's emotions. Convey your own feelings and reactions. Were you awestruck by the beauty of a sunrise? Did the sight of a wild animal send a thrill of fear down your spine? By sharing your emotions, you make your readers more emotionally invested in your story. By using these techniques, you can make your readers feel as if they're living the adventure themselves. Adventure travel writing is an art that requires creativity, authenticity, and a knack for storytelling. It's a dance between the thrill of the unknown and the familiarity of shared human experiences. It's about encapsulating the essence of adventure and translating it into words that transport your readers right into the heart of the action. Let's quickly recap the points we've covered today. First off, we talked about the importance of authenticity. Remember, your readers are savvy. They can tell when you're writing from experience and when you're not. Immerse yourself in the adventure, experience it firsthand. That's the key to genuine, compelling travel writing. Then we moved on to techniques to capture the thrill. We discussed the power of vivid language, of painting a picture with your words. Use sensory details, make your readers feel the wind on their faces, hear the rustle of leaves, taste the salt in the sea air. Evoke emotions, build suspense. Keep them on the edge of their seats, waiting, anticipating. We also emphasize the importance of engaging your readers' senses and emotions. When you do this right, your readers won't just be reading about your adventures, they'll be living them, feeling them. With these tips and techniques, you're now equipped to capture the thrill of your adventures and share them with your readers. So, go out there, have an adventure, and tell the world about it.